Independent commission, we may have some word from the president yet because he just arrived yesterday.
Tinanggap na daw po ni Mayor Magalong.
I am not sure about that.
So yung independent commission, kompleto na po ba yung mga magiging member?
Wala pa. We have to be quiet about that yet because the president has to give us the updates.
So yung independent commission dahil po nababahala ang Pangulo na may mga senators at congressmen na
Hindi
dinadawit.
naman. This is just a natural consequence of what he wanted to happen.
But once the independent commission commences the investigation, okay lang po bang tuloy ang Congress at Senate, sir?
Walang problema yun. Kasi our independent commission, if it ever comes out, maybe about fact-finding lang. Now, we all want all sectors of the Philippine society to contribute to the effort to find facts about these issues on flood control anomalies.
May target date po ba on when that investigation will start?
Our investigation?
Independent commission.
As soon as possible kasi the President sees the urgency of doing many things.
Sir, stable pa ba ang gobyerno ngayon dahil doon sa mga nangyayari, maraming involved na agencies?
Very stable. Because, alam mo yan, internal dynamics lang yan. Normal sa atin yan. There were eras or periods in our history that there were more supposedly perceived to be destabilizing. But I don't see any threats